A lot of sellers face an issue where when they try to upload to a specific country a set of images that's been reflected to other country. Let's take an example that you're uploading some infographic images in Germany. Once you have uploaded that same infographic images in German language has been reflected across other countries in UK and US. And I've seen this happening, and I see this as a common issue on seller forums, and they will go and open tickets with customer care, and they don't help as well with the solution. The thing I want to say is that if you do upload the image in the correct way, then there'll be no issues. Normally, a lot of sellers upload directly within listing. They will go inside the listing, click on edit, go into image, and then upload it from there. That's good if you are just selling into one country. But if you're selling to different countries, you need to have different images for each country. Images, videos, and 3D models and everything need to be separate. For example, this can be a little bit tricky. For example, you can use the English images across US, UK, Canada, Australia, so English-speaking countries. So you can batch them together. And in order to upload them in the correct place, what you have to do, you have to go into Seller Central, click on and then inventory, catalog, upload images, and that will bring you to this page, and it will auto populate all the ASINs that you have, and you just have to click the ASINs that you want to upload the image, like in this example, and from here it will show you the images for different countries. Once you have uploaded initial listing, that will go into a global place, global images. You can see images submitted by you global. That means these are the images that will be applied to all around the world, all the countries that you are selling. But if you want to apply specific country-specific images, you need to scroll down and see, for example, United Kingdom. The images are empty. You have to upload specific to UK. Then there's Germany. Again, country-specific images need to go over here, need to be uploaded. And this goes with images, videos as well, and 3D models. And if you have different 3D models for different marketplaces, again, you need to come over here and then upload the right images. If you do it from here correctly, then there will be no cross-syncing of images across different countries. So this is an easy fix, and this is the right way if you want to do the images, and if you're selling on multiple countries. Let me know what you think. And by the way, my name is Sebastian, founder of Retail-Outsource. Thank you.